Trees with no leaves. Soon to springtime. Then they have leaves again. Leaves and leaves.